everyone, it's Kim with Memories Cast Love. Remember, if you like what you see, please hit the subscribe button below. Once we have 100 subscribers, I will have a Dollar Tree giveaway. This video is about one of the crafts that I'm having for my Valentine's Day party. I always have a craft and then we vote on whose is the best or whose is the cutest. So I call this one Adoring Art, and for this you will need cookie pans. I have 4 of them, so that way 4 people can be working at a time. And these are just the regular 13 by 9. All these items come from the Dollar Tree. So I have 4 of those. And then I have 4 of the paint sets. And this actually comes with the paintbrush, so that makes it nice. I also have foam stickers. This is a 100 pack. Then I also picked up some stickers. This is a 59 piece and it's kind of got a few emojis and hearts, letters. Then I picked up the canvas panels. This is a 3 pack and they are the 4 by 6. Whoops, sorry. Trying not to glare on you. Okay, you will also need some stickers. I picked up the Sticker Box Valentines. There are 18 packs in here and each one has 8 stickers in it, so we definitely won't use them all. And then here is what is actually in the package there. You will need a couple pieces of paper. You will also need something with numbers on it. I have these I had made to use in my other games, so I'm just using them again. I also had little round discs that had numbers on them. Anything that has a number that you can prop up beside the paintings, and that, so you know whose is who's by the number that they have. And then I have a gift box here, or gift basket, that will be the giveaway prize. Okay, to set up, I'm going to have 4 workstations, and each person will get a cookie sheet, a canvas panel, a paint set, and a paintbrush. And then they can design whatever they want on their canvas board. I called mine graffiti. I went ahead and made a canvas to show you. And that, so everyone will color their canvas, then we'll set it off to the side to let them dry. We'll play a few games, then we'll come back to this. Also, when you're doing the painting, make sure you set out little cups of water. I'm going to use the wax Dixie cups and not the paper, so they'll be the 5 ounce. Okay, and once everybody's is dry, then we'll come back. They'll have the hearts sticking out here. Then I'll probably cut these into strips and have them on the tray too. And they will pick out one of the hearts. There's different sizes in the different colors. And they'll pick one of the stickers to put on. And I'm requiring it just to give it a edge, so they won't want to have anything right in the middle. So like for this, you might want to put a pink one. They might want to do a big red one. Maybe they'll want a tiny white one. They'll have to make sure that a sticker fits on it though. Well, that's really cute. Okay, so I went ahead and picked out for mine, and I picked out a pink heart with another heart with an arrow in it. And we're just going to eyeball this. And that, we're just going to stick it on there. This is just to give them something else to do. And these stick pretty good. These stickers, they're foam, but they are very sticky. So, and then there is my picture, or my graffiti art. Okay, once everyone is done decorating their art, then that's when I assign the numbers. So each, oh my goodness, each person will get a number. Then one by one, they'll come up and they'll pick whichever canvas they like the most. Whether it's more creative, they just think it's really pretty or unique. And then what they do is they will just pick the number, show it to me. I will have, let's see, I'll put that back in there. I will have a piece of paper here with the numbers on it. So 1 through 15 is how many people I have in my family coming. So they will pick the number. I will take a sticker from one of the sticker boxes. There's 8 in here, so I'll need 2 boxes. And then I will just take a sticker off of here, and these are nice and tiny, so they work well. I will just take a sticker off of there and then find that person's number and stick the sticker right on there. And then after everyone's voted, then I go and see who has the most. Then that is the person that will win the gift basket. Okay, and here's the gift basket I'm giving away. I'm going to give away some Junior Mints I have a package of. Then I have a king size marshmallow heart, and they received the whole basket. Then the Tootsie Roll, it is the bank. It says their conversation messages on the Tootsie Rolls, so that's kind of cute. Then this is one of the chocolate scented bears, and it does smell like chocolate. Then a 4-pack of the caramels. These are the Russell Stover caramels, along with the marshmallow heart was a Russell Stover too. And then this is a 2-pack BPA free reusable cups. This one just says soothing. And then all I did was this basket came with a lid, so that way they can use it at a later time. It doesn't click, it just sits on top. I even asked about it, and yeah, it just sits on top. And then I filled it with some shreds. Any color shred you want. I didn't really want to use pink or red. I thought it would blend in too much. So this is the cute gift basket that they will win if theirs is voted the best. Well, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you liked in the comments section below. Hopefully this gives you an idea for a cute little craft project of your own for one of your own parties. And we will see you next time. Remember to make some loving memories today.